Hello everyone, I'm Grace Jiang from Yutong's HR team. I'm happy to share Yutong's global talent strategy and how we support our employees worldwide. At Yutong, we firmly believe that people are at the core of success. Talent drives business growth and bridges different countries and cultures. As we keep growing globally, we also care a lot about helping our local team members learn and grow. We want everyone to build a career they love and free at home here. Our talent strategy has 3 key parts: grow, integrate, and succeed together. We provide training, chances to work across cultures, and ways to move up in career. We value cultural exchange, help teams from different places understand each other and work well together. Our company's growth depends on every employee. Personal development goes hand in hand with Yutong's progress. Jointly advance sustainable mobility globally. This time, team members from all over came to China. They saw our factories, joined discussions, and learned about local culture. It was more than learning, it was about sharing ideas. We now have over 350 local staff around the world and more than 1,500 people in our global teams. As our manufacturing and R&D operations continue to grow, we'll create even more jobs and support local industry development. We will continue upholding people first, future shared, building a platform for global talent, and make sure we grow together. Yutong looks forward to collaboration with partners around the world to advance sustainable public transportation together.